Alright, well, today seems like a great day to crack into Squirrel Stapler. I've had this sitting in my library for about a year, almost a year, something like that. I think the best time to mention this is while this is downloading. I hate horror, and I don't like playing horror. Let's hunt! Squirrel Stapler, interactive squirrel shooting. Alrighty. Came here to get away from it all so that our love might blossom. But I can't read that fast. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. It looks like it, man. I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of the woods. Now I'll cover her in squirrels of the woods. Like now? Like right now? Can this wait? In 5 days, God is coming. So no, yeah, we do kind of have to go get the squirrels like now. With the scope. It is? I'm noticing a very distinct lack of scope on this gun. See him. I got you. Ooh, dang. Am I good at this squirrel hunting thing? Ooh. Look at that. Mother Nature is a gift. And she is plentiful. Information about this tower. Part 1. Nothing of note to report. Some marginal... dude, don't use big words on me, please. Let's do it. Yeah, listen up. Wait. I'm such a toddler. Yada. Press action. Default left mouse. Staple the scores to your beloved. Right, that's crude, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. I'm not sure if that's a nightmare or a good dream. Book of the Grove, Chapter 4, Verse 2. For the bushy tail is all righteous in the all mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? Alright, usually I attribute these things to my horrible ability to read out loud, but I think that's the verse's fault. Did I get him? Got him. Wow, these bullets are strong. Oh gosh, what? What's that? Alright. Must have just been the wind. My imagination. Whose dog is this? Oh, honey, I am home. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me my skin back. Or give me yours instead. This is good for us. Alright. It's time to fumble this note once again. I feel like a dunce. That was not a squirrel. That wasn't a squirrel either. That's not a squirrel. That's not a squirrel. What are you? You don't die easily. Woo! Woo! While we're here. Squirrels have urine release valves under their eyes and urinate on each other's faces to communicate. I'm starting to not trust these facts as much. What are you doing? What are you... Come on, man. Alright, well... This'll do, I guess. Can I put them on your back this time? No. Chapter 4, verse 4. In this way the squirrel is good, and the lobster? When were we talking about lobsters? Is that? Oh my gosh. Hey. Hey, honey. What are you doing out here? Are you having a good time? You look nice. You look nice in your fur coat. I'll see you at dinner time. Okay. I thought it. Did someone also come back in my ear? It must have just been the wind. I'm starting to think might be something wrong with the protagonist. Might be. I don't know if he's fully there in the head. No, you're down. Hey, buddy. Oh, I'm not loaded. Mistakes happen. Once again, not a squirrel. Oh, he might actually be able to get me. What? What? Are you chill? No, you just missed. Good to see you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 5. Oh, well. Alright, good night, my love. It's day 5. Let's go beat the big G-Man. Let's go see him. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very... Her? Whoa, we're bringing a woman into this? What? What's hitting me? Am I not supposed to be shouted in the guts of a bear squirrel? Is that... God forbid a man wants to have some fun. Come here. I'm gonna beat you with my bare fists. Come here. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack. Alright. Alright. Chill. Come at me, you pompous boy. Here's the big one. Got him. That's right. Get pwned. Got his. I gotta get back to my wife, I guess. Come on. I must meet God. Alright. Well, there's an energy drink, but I think there's more pressing issues, because apparently the God's coming. You don't have to yell. I get the point. Good luck. Alright. We got 6 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Allegedly, he's we did it. After game thoughts, square out of 10. Oh yes.
It's pretty obvious. Okay, this is, you clearly seem like you're trying to act like some fictional character or something.
Oh no, buddy, no. That's
Bro.
that's
No
not
one
what I'm trying to
ironically
act like.
uses the word buddy. There's no way.
No, buddy's in my dialect. I usually say that all the time. Even when I'm not trying to act like a
You're
character.
completely fake. No way you actually act like this, Lamel.
Hey, shut the fuck up, you stupid fucking nigger. Jesus Christ. Nobody loves you. Your parents.
Hey, girl, get out the way. Get a dance, shake it brown, it's okay.